The Vauxhall Zafira key fob from models 1999 to 2019 uses a split case design. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, plastic pry tool, or even a coin to open it. Locate the seam, typically on the sides or near the keyring. Gently insert your tool into the seam and twist to pop the two halves apart. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damage to the plastic. Be aware of any rubber gasket during the split, as it keeps the fob weatherproof. Once the fob is open, remove the old CR2032 battery. Note how it's positioned and if there are any retaining clips. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the correct polarity with positive side up. Double-check that it is seated properly. Reassemble the case by snapping the two halves back together, pressing firmly for a secure fit. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to confirm remote locking and unlocking is working. Average time for this is 5 to 10 minutes, and a new battery should cost around $5 to $10. Dispose of the old battery properly due to its hazardous lithium content. Ensure the rubber gasket is still intact during reassembly to keep it weatherproof.